Here is a short list of the best Setapp apps that earn a spot on macOS Tahoe in 2026. Start with the quick win. Setapp gives you full premium versions, and updates land automatically. You sign in once, pick what you need, and stop juggling license keys. For writing, Ulysses is the clean, distraction-free choice. You get a minimalist editor that keeps you focused on words, not toolbars. For docs that look great and stay organized, use Craft. You can build nested pages, add rich content, and share with comments when collaboration matters. For speed across the whole system, Better Touch Tool is the power user switch. You map trackpad gestures, mouse buttons, and keyboard shortcuts to the actions you repeat every day. If your biggest problem is getting pulled off task, run focused work. Block specific websites, apps, and notifications, then work in timed sessions you can actually finish. Now fix daily Mac friction. Swish lets you snap and manage windows with simple trackpad gestures, so multitasking stops feeling messy. Paste solves the classic "where did that copy go" problem. You get searchable clipboard history plus a fast way to reuse text, images, and snippets without overwriting anything. If your menu bar looks like a traffic jam, Bartender clears it up. Hide icons you don't need, reveal them on demand, and keep your top edge calm. For documents, PDF search saves hours. Type a keyword and scan across PDFs, including scanned pages with OCR, so you jump straight to the right section. For performance, Clean My Mac is the maintenance layer. Clean junk, remove leftovers, and keep your Mac running smooth without manual cleanup rituals. For creative work, Luminar Neo adds fast AI photo edits. You can enhance images quickly when you need results, not a steep learning curve. And for numbers, Solver turns messy math into readable notes. You type calculations in plain language and keep a running log you can reuse. If this short list saved you time, subscribe for more best Setapp apps breakdowns and come back for the next video. See you soon.